Welcome to the journey of scientific exploration. The R.E.A.D Center can help you every step of the way. Every great scientific discovery starts with a simple observation, something that sparks curiosity. The scientific methods turn that curiosity into discovery through structured, evidence-based investigation. The scientific methods consist of several key components, which include forming a question, doing background research that relates to your question, making a hypothesis based on your question, creating a study design to test your hypothesis, analyzing data to see if the results align with your hypothesis, and communicate your results to others. At the R.E.A.D Center, we provide services to walk with you through each step of the scientific method. No matter you're launching a new project or revisiting old data, we're here to help. The first step to get started is to ask a question. From observation comes the question. It could be any question about what you have observed: who, why, what, when, where, or how. For example, what causes this? Or why does it happen? This question forms the foundation of your research direction. Just remember, your question should be something that can be measured. If you're still shaping your idea, we can help you turn it into a focused, researchable question with real impact. Bring your key points of interest and any factors or elements that might be related to your question to our first meeting, and we will start from there. Next, you need to gather some background knowledge about the subject you're exploring. For example, what have others discovered? What gaps remain? Background research helps you find the best way to do things and avoid repeating mistakes from the past. Our team can assist you with comprehensive literature reviews and help you build the project based on existing knowledge. With the information gathered, it's time to form a hypothesis, an educated guess about what you expect to find. A good hypothesis includes a prediction that is measurable, testable, and meaningful. You can bring your hypothesis to us, and we will ensure it is aligned with your research goals and methods. Once you have your hypothesis, we design an experiment or use observed data to test it. You need to design an experiment to test whether your prediction is accurate and whether your hypothesis is supported by evidence. Our center supports the design of experiments, data collection, and implementation. Specifically, we help design studies, conduct sample size calculations, set up REDCap databases, develop survey and measurement tools, and more. We also support clinical trial design, with experience in adaptive and sequential approaches. Whether you work in a lab, a clinic, or in the field, we help you collect reliable, accurate data. Data by itself is just numbers until you analyze it. If you have already collected your data, bring it to us. Let us know the variables that have been collected, the sample size of your dataset, and your key research questions. We offer data analysis, statistical modeling, and program evaluation, enabling you to draw meaningful conclusions from your results. From simple summary statistics to complex multivariable models, we're ready to help. Research has power when it's shared. Whether it's community reports, presentations, academic publications, or funding proposals, we can help you present your findings effectively in all formats. At the R.E.A.D Center, we don't just support research. We design, manage, analyze, and elevate it. To make the most of your first meeting with us, here's how to prepare. Let us know what stage you're currently in. Tell us what kind of support you're seeking. If you've collected data, share your dataset, including variables you have collected. How many observations do you have? Any supporting documentation, such as the data dictionary. The more you bring, the better we can help. We provide affordable, high-quality services for projects of all sizes, from student research to major funded studies. We offer different pricing based on your project size, hourly rates for small or one-time requests, and contract packages for long-term collaborations. Within LSU-HSC, your department might have a contract with our R.E.A.D Center. Don't forget to check with your department chair or dean for details. Also, don't miss our free consultation. Once you have your checklist ready, visit our website and complete the online request form. You will then be invited to schedule your complimentary first 15 or 30 minutes consultation, virtual or in person, to discuss your needs and get expert guidance on the next steps. Let's move your research forward together. Contact us today at read@lsuhsc.edu or scan the QR code to get started.